Lucretia.
Hi.
Right, today we are on the boat on our way to Portugal, and Lucretia has some of her money. So she's going to count the money today to see how much she has to spend. So look, today we're going to add money. So Lucretia, what are you going to do to add all your money to see how much money you have to spend this morning?
First, we're going to put them in groups so they can make up £1.
So you're going to put it in groups of
£1.
Okay, so count.
Or you can just put all of them together and then count them afterwards.
Okay, so what you're doing first, you first put them all into groups of the same value. Okay.
Yeah.
Trisha, what are you going to do first?
We're going to group them into the same value, then put them one.
Now let's do that. So put them all in the same value. Put all the same value coins together. So those are what? Those are all
50 pennies.
50 cent euros. And these are all 20s. What you busy with now?
£1.
And you see what she's doing? She's looking carefully at the value on the coin that's written on the coin, and she's grouping them into those groups. She also had a few English money, British money. She took those ones out. You can't use that when you're in the land of the euros. What is that?
English money.
So put that one side. Right, so you've grouped them all. Now, what's your next step?
Put the 50 cents first and £1 because they're...
Okay, so what you did, she took all the 50, she put them into groups of £1 each. And there's one with only 150p, which means she's short 150p. So why don't you, okay, Karen, what can you do now? Because you've short 150p there to make £1. What could you do now with the other money?
You could just add all the other money up and then leave this with the rest, put that to the side.
So why don't you try and make this into £1?
Yeah.
So make that into £1.
40, 90, so that's £1.
Very good.
Put that here.
Right, so what's next?
So, okay, so £1, £2, £3, £4, £5, £6.
Try again.
£1, £2, £3, £4, £5.
Look at the money.
Oh.
Start
£2.
again.
Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 2, 4, 6, 12.
12 plus 10 is?
Oh, it's 22.
So how much coins do you have?
£10, 22 pennies.
Plus this 10 euros?
£20.
£20 and?
22 pennies.
Right.
Hello guys, so we're back. Can you hold this please? Thank you. If you saw my other video, with my mom, we were counting money and I got 20 pounds and 22 cents. I just found this like all be squishy. I'm gonna get it. How much is it? It's £3, so I'm gonna get it. Yeah. And then this is Mom, can you count this? Mom, 1 second guys. How much is this, please?
You look at the euro side. So £6.90.
I really want to get one of these though.
What is this?
It's a ball.
Show them. What is it? Look. It's massive.
I really like it.
It's a furb. Squish and squash.
I'm gonna get it.
Oh, this is the one you throw.
No. Can you hold the phone real quick, please? Okay, guys, look. I'm gonna get the ball. But look, guys, it can come apart when you. I'm gonna get this one as well. Should I?
No, just choose one. We're still going to Portugal.
I'm gonna get the fur ball.
She can't decide. She's so much in the shop. She can't decide what she wants.
My mum found this.
Look, there's dominoes too. You like dominoes?
So, guys, I got
Mesdames, Messieurs, bonjour à tous. Nous espérons que vous avez passé une agréable nuit. Il est maintenant 9h15.
I have no idea what's that saying. So...
Nous vous rappelons que vous pouvez déjà
Yes, more toys at the bottom there.
déjeuner inclus au
So if you guys come to the shop, just
ou au tabernacle de tapas. Le tabernacle de tapas qui est ouvert jusqu'à
What is that? The unicorn light up. This lights up. The unicorns light up.
But I don't really like
Très
unicorns.
belle journée à bord du Galicia. Merci.
Okay, so that if you're taking it. What is this here?
Good morning, ladies
Lovely
and gentlemen.
box. Oh, you
We
can
hope had a
decorate
good
the
night.
box.
It is now 9:15 a.m. British time.
What is that?
Remind you that breakfast is currently
What's that?
served
Show,
in
put it down.
Turtle.
and
That's
in the
cute.
tabernacle
How much is
de
it?
tapas, de tapas, located on deck number 8 until
don't know.
11 British time. We wish you a very, very nice day on board the Galicia. Thank you.
Oh, look at Ellie the elephant. Show me Ellie the elephant. Oh, how much is that one? I want that one. $6.99. I'm gonna have Ellie the elephant.
And I'm gonna get this turtle. It's £7.
Show me Ellie. Hold Ellie up. Oh, we need to get that for Ellie. Ellie the
I'm getting
elephant.
the turtle, Mom's getting the elephant. She's paying for that. So guys, I got 3 things only. I'm just trying to balance it. I got this. I didn't want to get the big one, but because it was so much money. Mom's there. I got the little baby. You got the little baby. Then I got this one. And then I got this.
So let's go play now.
I'm gonna go pay. I got the little baby. The mama's big. Look at that. Look at that thing. It's so cute. They're all adorable. In it, everybody's saying the stuffed animal is so cute. You get an Ellie, right? So guys, I got basically 2 fidgets, right? I got 2 fidgets and a stuffed animal because I don't really play with stuffed animals, but yeah. Look how expensive this stuff is. Mom's looking at these. Look at this. It's gonna. Okay, so I just got 2. I'm like explaining how I got 2. Yeah. Okay, guys, we're gonna go pay it, and I'll tell you what will be. Okay, bye.
Now, what are you doing now?
So we're paying. Total is £11.
That's £7.77.
Okay, no, in euro.
In euros, €9.70.
Right, so 9
Cheaper
euros.
for you.
So €9. Count out €9.
Eight here, €8.
€9, how much?
€9.70.
Give all your money. There's.
Oh.
What is this?
9, and I can.
Hey guys, so we just came back from shopping, and before I show you that, I wanted to give you some ASMR. And ASMR is like, it can calm you down when you're stressed, and like you just have to be really quiet. So I'm gonna give you some. And comment down below if you know what these fidget stains are. So pop it. Pop-its are one of my favorite fidgets. They're just amazing, and yeah. Next is a wacky track. Very clickety. And this is the one, doesn't really give you ASMR, but my mum loves squishies. I actually like just rubbing my finger on it. Next is she's also playing with it. Next is this star infinity key because it can go to a star, and doesn't give you much ASMR because it's not really that loud. But yeah, this is actually very expensive. It came in pack. This is a mini Rubik's Cube. I love putting it on my finger and yeah, like smoothing my finger. Next is a Trimple Dimple. Next is a fidget cube. The top is a joystick. And last but not least is a part of a simple dimple. So now that we've got all of that aside, now time to unbox. I'm gonna start with this because I actually really like.
Show us everything you bought. I'm so excited.
I got.
What is this one? This one is a
sorry. But we're gonna.
So this one is a fur. Squish and squash. What is this one?
This is an Orby squishy.
An Orby squishy.
No, Orby squishy. It's just. I'll show you.
Wait, let me see. What did they say on here? It is a what?
It doesn't say.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I'm gonna show you. I'm so excited. Stop.
Where's your receipt? Did they give you a receipt?
Yeah, but it's in my purse. So, first, it looks like a normal thing, but you can.
Come close, I can't see. Ooh, do it slowly. Now do it, hold it upside down. Now I want to see what comes out.
There's a mermaid in it, but
yeah, that's what I want to say. Show me different. Ah, that's cool. I didn't know about that.
But you can also take it out the shell.
No, don't take it out.
I'm not. I just want to see.
Don't, you're going to tear it.
See?
Pop it again. Come close, I can't see it. Yeah. Oh, look at you swimming in the seashell. Oh, looks cute.
And guys, you can also just squish it like this.
Ah.
But it kind of hurts your hand, but I really love it. So this is a 8 out of 10. Also rating them. Mom, what do you give it?
Wait, let me first see if I can get her out. Oh, there she is, there she is.
So what do you give this?
I'll give it a 9. I love it.
I gave it an 8 because it kind of hurts.
Hello, mermaid. Oh, look. She will go with my coloring mermaid book that I made.
I'm not going to give it to you.
Yeah.
No.
Hey, mermaid, you want to meet your friends in my coloring book, don't you?
No, she doesn't.
Okay, what else did you buy?
Look.
Did she come out?
No, she's
No, don't before it pops. Put it back in. Right, show me what else.
This is actually a 9 actually. Now.
Yeah, she's cute. I like her.
And this is the biggest thing ever. It's a fur, and it gives the texture of a shaggy needle, if you know what that is.
It's like a furry carpet.
It feels amazing.
Quick, I want to feel. Oh, this, I love this. I love this.
This is already 10 out of 10.
What do you, oh, Ma, let me try. Oh. Ew.
Mom doesn't like this type of stuff.
But I like this one.
I give it a 10 out of 10.
No, I'll give it a 9.
I give it a 10.
Like, do it with 2 hands, let's see. Yeah, do that slowly. Oh, I love it.
Oh, my little puppy.
So which one is your favorite of these two that you bought today?
This
with
one.
Your euros?
This one, definitely.
I like the mermaid ones though. Oh. Right,
But
so did you
this
enjoy
is-
your shopping trip today?
This doesn't smell nice.
Did you enjoy your shopping trip?
Yes.
So show us how much money do you have left.
Okay, wait. I guess I had to show you this, guys.
Yay!
Look how
Show me how much money you have left. Stop. Let's see.
we still kept £10,
So you still have your €10 note.
and we still have.
Okay, and a few cents. So how much did it come up to? Let's see.
Okay,
So all together, your 2 squishy squashy things came to €9.70. Not too bad, but this is quite massive, this one.
and I really like the texture.
Yeah, it's lovely. It will keep you occupied.
And if you guys saw
all
the
day.
other thing
Oh,
that.
it can hang, look. Oh,
Yeah, I know.
Oh, it can bounce. I love this. I'll give this one a 10.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Did you enjoy it, Lucretia?
Yes. This
Say
is
bye.
this is my puppy. Bye. We only have 120.
Okay, so carry on. What else do you have?
Oh my. Okay.
So you're putting all the same amounts together.
We can just put 20 and 10 together because there's only one.
But is that the same currency?
So what do I do with this?
Can you use that now when you're in the land of euros?
Okay, so we're just gonna put these aside
Why are you putting that one side?
because they're not related.
So those are all English
Money.
money. And now let's count the
We can
euros.
give them to the fishes.
Come, let's see. So how much have you got? So what are you doing now?
Putting them together.
How? What are you doing? What's your method?
Making sure if we have 8
What did you do? What did you do? You put them into what?
groups of 2,
Groups of 2 makes how much?
£1.
Okay, so you put them 2 50s to make a pound each.
£4,
Okay.
£5, £6, £7, £8, £9, £10,
And that?
£10.30.
Right, so all together you have how much money?
£10.30.
What you got to do with it?
Spend on fidgets.
Oh my days, you and your fidgets.
Oh, Roblox gift cards.
Okay. I say bye to everyone. Ooh,
Bye.
You need to wash your hands. Bye, and I hope you all enjoyed counting with Lucretia. Bye for now. Keep watching because there will be more to come when she gets more money. Bye.